In this video, we will show the main configuration of the machine. Firstly, the control system is DSP control system. DSP handheld, and the spindle is 2.2 kilowatt water cooling spindle. There are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spindles. And for the inverter, every 2 spindles has 1 inverter. For example, number 1 and number 2 spindle has a same inverter. The inverter kilowatt is 4.5 kilowatt, and because of 8 spindles, there are 4 inverters in total, and every inverter, every spindle has a switch which can singly control. For example, we only run spindle 1 and spindle 2. We can control, and we can turn on the switch or turn off the switch. This is the inverter. And for the driver is a industrial servo driving system. This is 4 drivers, and 1 for X-axis, and one for Y-axis, 1 for Z-axis, and 1 for A-axis. A-axis is rotary axis, and this is control board for connection with DSP handheld. This is another board for wiring, and this is the servo motor, industrial servo motor. There is a servo motor here, and a servo motor here. And for the lubrication system, this is automatic lubrication system, and this is the water pump and air. This is for water cooling circulation, for spindle cooling. And for the transmission, mechanical transmission, this is the guide wheel and 4 screw transmission. This is for X-axis, and for Y-axis, 4 screws. There is a alarming light for alarming for frequency alarm and servo alarm, and also there is a light for power indication. Before we put the material on the machine, we have to fix the position of this part by this part. This is a working sample. That's the process by the machine.